And now for another exciting true adventure from SealcoatUniversity.com.
You gotta be kidding me. The beating sun, perfect line. Man, I was almost done. The ceiling's black, it's a mirror shine. Look at a million, looking mighty fine. I'm pulling tape, I'm feeling the pride when a white LLV starts to drift to the side. He didn't have a package, he didn't have a bill. He just wanted a piece of that black top thrill. He did the mailman deal on my fresh black gold. Tire tracks deep and he's acting bold. I looked him in the eye, I was standing my ground, but he flipped me the bird as he spun him around. Yeah, he gave me the finger, left a mess that's gonna linger on my fresh black gold. I'm standing there, shocked, squeegee in my hand. The most disrespectful move in all the land. Ruin the taper, ruin the flow, just to aggravate a man for a status quo. But I don't get mad, I just get even. I teach the secrets that you won't believe in. It's a war out here on the cul-de-sac, but Sealcoat University's got your back. From the perfect mix to the angry male, we show you how to win and how to never fail.